SADC entrusted me with the task of facilitator in the Kingdom of Lesotho to assist with the promotion of peace and stability and constitutional reform. Having experienced South Africa's transition to democracy, I was aware of the importance of an inclusive and consultative process. My visits at the time permitted me to meet on a number of occasions His Majesty King Letsie III, the then Prime Ministers, and the coalition government leaders, as well as opposition parties in Parliament, as well as the Council of Traditional Leaders and the Christian Council of Lesotho and many other stakeholders.